name is Celso Montalvo. I've been a naturalist for Lindblad Expeditions for about 10 years. Lindblad Expeditions operates with 2 ships here, doing a new trip every week, almost all year round. Many hard-working men and women help run these operations. From clean cabins to clean laundry, a lot is going on behind the scenes. In these videos, we will give you an exclusive look into the logistics of our ships. From the galley to the engine room, you will see what it takes to make our trips possible. The Islander has a unique twin-hull design, allowing her to sail gracefully in the Galapagos Seas. She is 50 meters long and 13 meters wide. She can hold up to 48 guests and 32 crew and staff. The Islander was built in France in 1994 and acquired by Lindblad Expeditions in 2005. She is a very capable and seaworthy vessel, allowing Lindblad's guests to have an incredible Galapagos experience. Everything is controlled from the bridge. Steering, propulsion, and navigation get the Islander and her guests to wherever they need to go. Within each hull in the belly of the ship is the engine room. The engine room is like the ship's heart. There are 2 engines on the Islander. They are V12 Detroit MTUs. These engines were made in Germany and produce 804 horsepower each. They propel the ship at speeds up to 10 knots. The Islander travels 300 to 400 nautical miles per trip. For fuel, the Islander can hold up to 14,000 gallons of diesel. We would like to point out that starting in January 2011, Lindblad started the new Galapagos itineraries. Now, the Islander can sail with the current, saving many tons in fuel consumption each month. When the ship is at anchor, the engines will be turned off. This is when the auxiliary generators take over. From turning on a light bulb to enjoying air conditioning, our guests and crew members need electricity. The electrical consumption is 137 kilowatts per hour, or 3,288 kilowatts per day. 2 Detroit MTU generators produce this electricity. There are 6-cylinder engines made in the United States. Each engine produces 474 horsepower at 1,500 RPMs. 1 generator runs at a time. On most ships, when there is a generator swap, all lights and electronics turn off for a few seconds. However, the Islander was recently upgraded with a system that allows continuous electrical output, so the lights will never go out. An amazing feat of engineering happens here on the Islander. Well, seawater is taken from the ocean and is pumped through a series of filters. First one is made out of sand and carbon, but it's the membranes, high-pressure membranes that we call reverse osmosis, that are able to produce these triplets of water that are extremely pure. For our drinking water, we also have carbon-activated and ultraviolet systems, so we can have the most purified water in the Galapagos. It's the same quality from the bottled water you get at the grocery store, and yet we made it all on our own from the ocean around us. 4,000 gallons of clean fresh water is made every day in the ship, with an option to go all the way up to 8,000 gallons. After a long day of exploring, showers are needed. Usually, everyone is having showers at the same time. The Islander's hot water boilers handle these with ease. Everyone always has hot water when they need it. Ships require a great deal of maintenance in order to stay running. Our expeditions are very active and cover a lot of distance. We go many places and see many things. With our skillful and caring crew members, we will continue exploring the Galapagos Islands on board the National Geographic Islander for many years to come.